Hello guys, uh, today I'm gonna show you how you can fix your broken cracked LCD very cheap at home. You don't need to replace the LCD. You see this LCD is broken. I will show you. So I just put this screen protector. It's works fine. It's very smooth. It won't tell. It's working. Anyway, I will show you how it's gonna work. This is a screen protector you can buy from eBay. It's very good quality screen protector. It's called Illusion, front and back, but 6 don't need a back, so I can put only front one. See, I use on all phones the same screen protector. I'm using this one for last 2 years. It's very good and very strong. See, it's all work. Same. Even I have a Samsung LCD. It is broken, but it still works. It's very smooth. See, it's broken, but still working. I put the screen protector here. Let me show you how to apply the screen protector, so you don't need to replace your LCD. You can save money. You just clean it. It's already have a tape on it. Let me remove this tape. Very cheap, you can replace your LCD. And these days cost too much. You just clean it. And put like this. This is very good screen protector. You can buy from eBay and Amazon as well. It's called Illusion. You have to match this. Oh, it's have some glasses on there. It doesn't matter. It's still gonna work. But if you clean properly, remove this glasses, so it's work fine. Still I can remove these glasses. I will show you. See, it's very smooth. I will show you how this old one is working. Let me show you this is gonna work as well. See, this works very smooth. You can put the screen protector. Don't need to replace the LCD. I'm gonna suggest you can buy this screen protector. It's called Illusion from eBay and Amazon, so you can save money.